This 2016 Maserati Ghibli is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Maserati Ghibli SQ4 AWD SQ4 all-wheel drive 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engines EF8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters navigation system rear view camera rear parking aid front parking aid heated front seats memory seats xenon headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control dual power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry keyless start navy blue exterior brown leather interior floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Maserati Ghibli SQ4 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.